Stainless steel banding tool, built for narrow bands. 2 levers. 1 wins, 1 cuts. Thread the stainless steel band through the L-type buckle. Fold the end over. Tap it with a hammer for a clean fold. Wrap around the pole twice. Pull snug. Fold the band over the buckle. Insert into the banding tool. Wind until you feel resistance. Cut the excess. 1 clean motion. Tap down the buckle ears with a hammer to lock it permanently. Tight. Secure. Done.